Hi, I'm Oliver, the CEO and founder of Villari, and I'm going to explain to you what our sensor system looks like. It consists of two main parts. The grey box is what we refer to as the control unit, while at the end the blue strips are called the sensor strips. The control unit is attached to the structure using strong magnets. It literally takes 1 second to place it. If there's people walking underneath the structure, we can also use fastening straps for an extra matter of safety. The control unit contains a processor, a wireless communication module and a battery. The battery can last for up to 5 years. The sensor strips are glued to the surface. They can be glued directly on top of the conservation of the structure, so there's no need to remove the paint. These are glued near the fatigue critical areas. These are typically welded joints or other geometric areas which are sensitive for crack growth. The sensor strip comes in two shapes. Short, rigid one, which is 50 millimeters long. And if we need more area coverage, we also have one that's 500 meters long and made out of flexible electronics. The latter is also used to curve around surfaces, such as tubular joints.